Hourly backup jobs are configured to local repositories. Daily backups must be sent from site B to the repository on site A. The connection between the two sites does not allow a direct backup to complete within the backup window. Okay. Which type of backup copy job and which Veeam component should be used to provide the necessary protection? Let's see, we have two sites. And so it already told us we can't do direct backup to complete, right? So we have to use a WAN accelerator, which tells us I'm going to have to go from a local backup on the repository, site B, and then the proxy is only used for creating backups, not for sending them to the other site. Couldn't go directly, so I'll have to go from 6 to 4 to the WAN accelerator. Now WAN accelerator has to talk to a second WAN accelerator, which again doesn't use the proxy here, it uses the repository, and then it's being stored here. So on the repository, that is right. So it's going to go from 6 to 4, 3 to 2, 6, 4, 3, 2. Let's see here. We have 6, 4, 3, 2, 6, 4, 3, 2. So this option 1 up here is going to be incorrect, and this one here is going to be incorrect. So we're looking at number 2 or number 4. The question then is, are we going to be using periodic copy or immediate copy? The path of the component seems to be good in both cases. Let's go back up again. Now I notice here it says hourly backup job. So over here on the repository, every hour I'm making backups. But I want to do daily backups to the other side, which means if I set this to be immediate copy, right, then every hour I'm going to make a backup here, but also every hour it's immediately going to copy it to the repository number 2 here, which is not what we want, because we want daily backups sent. So the only way to do a differentiating schedule for the copies than the source backup job would be to go for periodic copy, and we have to pay attention to pick 6, 4, 3, 2. So this answer option number 2 here is going to have to be the correct answer.